How to install metal lamp sockets. Periodically, we get calls from customers who find it difficult to insert and snap in our metal lamp sockets into the openings of their instrument cluster. The metal lamp sockets I'm referring to are these, and are part of the dash harness we manufacture for 50 to 60-year-old cars that were originally equipped with metal, not plastic, lamp sockets, as shown here on this original '53 Corvette Dash Harness. Hopefully, this instructional video will give you a better insight into these lamp sockets and show you a technique to try to make them easier to insert. Originally, on the assembly line, the dash harness was connected to the instrument cluster. Then, the entire harness and cluster assembly was routed and installed into the opening in the dashboard. So if you're trying to install lamp sockets into a dash cluster that is still installed in your car and not removed, and you're on your back looking up under the dash and trying to insert these lamp sockets with your fingertips, it will be substantially more difficult to install them. First, identify the open or slotted portion of the lamp socket, as shown here. With the instrument cluster out of the car, insert the open end of the socket, either side, into the opening first. Then roll in the lamp socket until it snaps in place. Here's another view. As you can tell, some force is required to compress the retaining tangs. If you try to insert the socket at a 90-degree angle or straight in, a considerable amount of force is required, and therefore not recommended. To address those that say our lamp sockets on the left are larger than their original lamp sockets, we can tell you that our lamp sockets are made to the original blueprint specifications and within manufacturer's tolerances. It should be noted that your original lamp sockets were in a compressed state for 50 to 60 years. When the metal retaining tang is compressed for that length of time, it probably will change its dimensions from original. Originally, these lamp sockets were a very tight fit, and that's also part of the problem when reusing original lamp sockets, in that although they might be able to be inserted more easily, they may also fall out more easily. Not something you want happening while you're driving down the road. If you're still having difficulty installing these lamp sockets, you can try making a simple installation tool from a piece of scrap PVC pipe. Here I'm using a piece of 1/2-inch PVC. I've cut a narrow slot with a hacksaw so that the wire can be inserted. That's about it. Hope this video helps you. Thank you.